If you are someone who wants to do ACCA and you're confused about its syllabus, whether this subject genuinely interests you or not, then this video is for you. Hello guys, this is Ganesh Nayak, founder of Fintelligents, where we train students for professional finance certifications. We are also an approved learning partner with ACCA. So let us get into the video. We'll start with the applied knowledge level. This is the base level that you have to complete if you want to start the journey of ACCA. In this, first, you have the business and technology subject. Here you learn how businesses are structured and how they operate. We cover things like the role people play inside the company, the system they use, and how outside factors like government or other economic shift affect the businesses that are there. Second subject is management accounting. This is about understanding cost. What does it cost to produce something? How do you measure it? And how do you use this information to make better decisions? The third subject is financial accounting. This is where you get into the recording of financial transaction. You learn the basics of preparing accounts and get introduced to international accounting standards. The common rule companies follow across the globe to report their numbers. Once you clear these three papers, you move on to the applied skill level. The first paper here is corporate and business law. Now this paper focuses on the legal framework companies work within. You study the law that guides the businesses, how contract work, what companies must do to stay compliant. The next subject in this section is the performance management. You take what you learned about cost and push it further. Now you look at how it is measuring performance, setting targets, and improving the business outcome. Then we have one more subject called taxation. Here you learn about the basics of tax system, how to calculate taxes for individual and businesses, how the tax proceed actually work, and what rule applies. After this, there is one interesting subject called financial reporting. This builds on your earlier accounting work. You now handle more complex transactions, apply international standards, and prepare a detailed financial statement. Next in the section is the audit and assurance subject. This shifts from point of view. You're no longer one who's preparing the account, you are the one who's checking it, whether they're accurate or not. You learn how to review and test financial records to make sure that they are reliable. The last paper in this stage is the financial management. Here you look at how business handle money, where they invest, how they raise funds, and how they manage their overall risk. It is worth noting that the first four from the knowledge level and the corporate level are on demand, so you can take them anytime. The other five, performance management, taxation, financial reporting, audit, and your financial management, they are set at a quarterly exam window, which is March, June, September, and December. All the exams are computer based, and for the skill paper, you'll need to type out answer, work out with spreadsheets also. Finally, we reach at the third level, which is the strategic professional level. This starts with the first subject, which is strategic business leader. Here you are in the driver's seat. You learn how to make decisions like a top manager, setting strategy, leading teams, solving problems, and balancing different parts of the business. The next subject over here is strategic business reporting. This is the advanced accounting paper where you handle tricky financial reporting challenges, always sticking to the international standard, and you work on presenting this information clearly and responsibility to all your stakeholders. After that, you choose two optional papers from four. First is advanced financial management, goes deeper into the financial strategy and risk management. If you are interested into areas like investment, corporate finance, this is for you. The second subject over here is advanced performance management, which focuses on improving business performance, setting advanced targets, analyzing the result, and figuring out how to get better outcomes. The third subject over here is the advanced taxation, which takes you in detail of the tax world, handling complex tax cases and understanding details related to tax rules. The fourth subject over here is advanced audit and assurance, which sharpens your overall audit skill, tackling bigger, more complicated audits and looking at assurance work beyond just the financial. These final papers are longer, 3 hours and 15 minutes, and they are fully based on case studies. You're expected to apply what you really know and not just recall facts. That is the ACCA syllabus for 2025, paper by paper, exactly laid out for you. If you want help deciding which optional paper fit your career goals or need advising on planning your exam path, reach out to us. We are here to help you out. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video.